Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here, and first big announcement. Well, new camera. So the old camera has been bugging the hell out of me for a while. It's very blurry, especially in the background, and the quality just wasn't what I was looking for, especially if I wanted to do something with at least 1080p, even though it said it did 1080p well, but clearly it did not. I got it at the Grid, which is it's like a Goodwill tech thing here in Charlotte. It's on the west side. I got it for like 20 bucks at the time. But anyway, I just need to get a new camera, clearly, because if I was going to do more full screen face videos like this, I was going to need a better camera. So I pinged my buddy Bronze Dragon over at Bronze Dragon Gaming for advice, and he told me about his Insta360 link that he uses. In contrast, I was working with a Logitech C922, which works fine for what it is. If you just have your face as part of a screen on a Discord, it works great, actually. But when you're doing full screen stuff like I have been doing recently, not so much. So I went ahead and I upgraded to the Insta360 Link 2C. Surprisingly affordable for what it can do, especially since I got it on sale for a pretty good discount at $99. Tested it on my second channel, looks great. Testing it out here, it looks pretty good too. And I think I'm going to stick with this. By the way, this is the reason why I had been mentioning I wanted to do a video segment on my channel about like the best deals sometime. Because I do know how to get good deals, but I haven't really had a chance to figure out where to put it, and it just kind of is like, how do I do that? How do I explain it to people that you can make beer money by saving? And I tried to do that once, it didn't quite work out, so I don't know. If you want to see a segment like that, I could probably do it, but in the meantime, I'm probably just going to leave it like this for now. It also means I have a massive video essay I will have to redo as well. That is being moved to the end of the month. You'll see what that's about when that time comes. But let's talk about the other big announcement, all right? So I want to go back to Sunday night and talk about the Atlas Earth Racer minigame event there. I'm going to be honest, this was the worst experience I have ever had for a minigame on Atlas Earth, period. And by talking to other people who have been playing the minigames, at least those that weren't just playing to the challenges, they feel roughly the same way, because beyond the top 1500, nothing seemed to work right. You could be ahead for about half the race, and then your opponent suddenly zips by past you for no reason, and you have genuinely no idea what exactly happened. It could be lag, it could be something hidden, you could literally be on two entirely different tracks for all we know. I'm showing some screens right now of my own games and games from another player, Azor Ahai, one of my moderators, as we had been struggling throughout most of the minigames, despite holding optimal or near optimal strategies. As I said, something just doesn't seem to be right here. I'm not sure what it is, but it's clear that the new racer is not working the way that it should. And that's very disappointing because I personally felt like it had potential to be the new favorite minigame for Atlas Earth. But it is turning out to honestly be closer to the worst, if not the worst, and gets me really nervous about what the new golf minigame will be when that comes out. However, just showing screenshot videos I feel is not going to be good enough evidence. So I have decided, and I've talked with my moderators and a couple other people on this, I'm going to be scheduling my first stream in, what has it got to be, almost a year now, I think? Several months at least. But yes, the next Racer event is going to be July 13th, and I will be streaming it from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. I will be on from 7 to 9, answering your questions, chatting about Beer Money apps, financial stuff, Atlas Earth stuff, and whatever we did back in the old days on the old Beer Money Brew. So if you want to join in, come on over, and I love to see you there. And finally, I said I would record my first big cash out of the new Beer Money Engine experiment here on YouTube. Now, the rest of the cash outs I am going to show on Facebook, and I'll probably post somewhere else too. I haven't decided where yet. I was told that Instagram might be a good idea, so I'll think about it there. But yeah, we're going to be doing that cash out right now. It's going to be time to cash out of Atlas Earth. Now, Atlas Earth did not have a super rent boost this week because this is a 5-week month for Thursdays and Fridays. So on 5-week months, they do super rent boosts on the 3rd and 5th Friday of each month, rather than the 2nd and the 4th. So that will be here next week. But that doesn't mean I have a decent amount of money ready to cash out this week. And I'm going to use this as an opportunity to show you how to cash out of the new Atlas Earth with the redesign. So, Faceless Not AI Me, take it away. Thank you very much, and I will probably show this on a separate video as well, because I like to put out a video every once in a while to show how to cash out of Atlas Earth in case something new happens. And well, the redesign counts as something new that happens. So to go ahead and start cashing out with Atlas Earth, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the very top over here. You see the $ there, my real world money by the lightning bolt here. You're going to go ahead and tap that. Now, once you have finished tapping that, you'll be led to this accrued income menu, and you're going to click or tap Redeem Now. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tap Redeem Now again, and I'm going to type up $12. Now we're going to tap Get Cash. Now, there is crypto as an option, but we are going to go with Get Cash here. So I'm going to tap Get Cash. And crypto is currently not out just yet, but I'm assuming by the time that you watch this, it'll probably be out. So we'll see. At least if you're watching like a year from now. I'm going to tap Confirm. And this is going to lead me to a phone number, and it's going to immediately send a text, cash out successful, great. And now we go to the tremendous screen. I'm going to tap Redeem $12 USD, and I'm going to go all the way down to PayPal USA. I'm going to go ahead and type up my email. Okay, so apparently I got kicked out for some reason. I think I accidentally pressed the wrong button or something. All you have to do in order to get back in is tap Redeem Now, and then you should see under your redemption history as well, there'll be an Approve button. You're going to go ahead and tap the Approve button. Then you're going to tap OK. So you can always go back and you can cash out when you feel like it. And tap. I'm going to go down and we're going to do the PayPal again. And I'm going to go ahead and tap and get my email done. I'm not going to show that screen. And there you see I successfully cashed out. I got my $12, and the $12 will show up almost instantly in an email. Usually takes about 60 to 90 seconds, and you will get your money. And that is how you cash out of Atlas Earth under the new redesign. I guess they're not doing stocks right now. I know that was one of the options. Right now, the only option is cash, but there will be a crypto option down the road very soon. And with that, everyone, that is the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you like it, comment, let me know what you think of everything that we've done here and everything that I've talked about. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Pharaoh Silver if you haven't already. I do lots of Atlas Earth videos. I do a lot of beer money videos. I do the occasional finance video as well. So come check me out. Like, subscribe, comment. I will see you all in the next one. This is Pharaoh Silver signing out. Bye, everybody.